Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Remodel AI app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store listings, this app is designed to help users visualize home renovations using artificial intelligence by transforming photos into redesigned spaces. It allows users to upload or take a photo of a room or exterior and generate a remodeled version in different design styles, which is presented as a core feature. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on verified information, the app falls under AI home design and renovation visualization tools rather than traditional construction or architecture software. Official descriptions state that users can explore multiple interior and exterior design styles, such as modern, rustic, or classic themes, applied directly to their uploaded images. It also supports experimenting with elements like flooring, wall finishes, and overall layout appearance through AI-generated previews. Another documented feature is instant rendering, where the app generates redesigned visuals quickly after selecting a style or concept. According to official sources, the app is designed to simplify the planning process by allowing users to preview ideas before making real changes. This may indicate a focus on inspiration and visualization rather than precise construction planning, although exact accuracy of designs is not fully detailed in official descriptions. Some information suggests users can compare different design variations for the same space, which could help with decision-making, but this is not always clearly specified across all sources. This app may be useful for homeowners, renters, or designers who want to quickly explore renovation ideas without committing to physical changes. For users interested in visualizing different styles and experimenting with home design concepts, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.